Hey everyone, if you want to remove the password from an Excel file in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove password protection from your workbook step by step. First, open the Excel file and enter the current password. You must know the existing password before you can remove it. Next, click on the File tab in the upper left corner. Yeah, this is where Excel's security options are located. Now go to the Info section and click Protect Workbook. This menu contains encryption and password settings. Click Encrypt with Password, so a password box will appear showing the current password. Remove everything inside the password field. Leaving the box empty disables password protection. Now click OK and save the workbook. Yeah, saving the file applies the changes permanently. Close the workbook and open it again. Excel should now open the file without asking for a password. If a worksheet is still locked, go to the Review tab and select Unprotect Sheet. Workbook passwords and sheet protection are different. It's also a good idea to keep a backup copy before removing protection, so you'll always have the original file if needed. Finally, confirm that the workbook opens normally without requiring a password. Yeah, this ensures the protection has been removed successfully, and that's it. You've successfully removed the password from your Excel file in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.